take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine.
Hey, can I just ask y'all a question while we all here in the spirit of Thanksgiving? Hey, how do y'all feel about exes coming to Thanksgiving? I feel like black people are the only people that do that.
I only have 2 exes in my life, and I don't want to see them come anywhere. I'm located, so Thanksgiving is definitely off limits, bro, for sure. Like, maybe 3 exes.
I can't believe he said that right now.
I have 2.5 exes.
Hey, my man.
Honestly, the half is cool.
Let's get somebody else's input.
Yeah. You want to take a seat to answer this question?
Come and sit down.
Have a seat with us, bro.
Are you with the exes like coming to Thanksgiving?
Have a seat with us, bro. Sit down with us, bro.
After not talking to me.
Yeah, like she your ex. Yeah, she your ex.
They just pop up out of nowhere.
Yeah.
No, they just
not out of nowhere. Like, you know, they good with the family.
It's all like they good with the family.
You ain't gotta move it. You ain't gotta move it. The microphone's here.
I probably wouldn't be. Nah, I wouldn't be with that.
Okay, yeah. You not with the exes popping up? You not with the exes popping up?
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mic good. These are condenser mics.
Yeah, man. Like I thank God I don't have to deal with that. Like that's like more like. My homies will probably have to deal with that shit.
Yeah, I don't either, you know, because I don't bring them around in general, even when things are going well.
Yeah, JJ,
they don't even.
The crazy thing is, you don't even know you're going out with somebody until she become your ex.
It's gonna take some time for them to meet certain people, because I know what happens. You feel me? They end up getting close with people, and then, they show certain skills, like you know how to make a good banana pudding. So I want you to show up, when we need one, or. You're a hell of a time, you know what I mean? So show up here, show up there, ain't no popping in, for sure.
Thank you.
For sure, ain't no popping in. Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
Toast to the gods. Yeah. Sam says no exes at the Thanksgiving dinners.
Yeah,
it's not lit. It's not popping.
It's a little awkward. So let me say this.
It's not popping, bro.
The one ex that do come is cool. Honestly, What do you mean? Like, is it cool for the one ex to come? No. What I'm saying is, like, the one ex. Why your girlfriend is there? Oh no, why your girlfriend is there? No. Let's be clear.
Girlfriend there.
Yeah, if your new girl is there,
will you handle that, please?
Yeah.
Will you handle that, please?
Yeah, if your new girl's there, no, your ex should not come. Like,
Oh hell no.
Yeah.
That's conflict, because in reverse, you ain't trying to see Jamal.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't care if Jamal. You got kids with Jamal too.
Yeah. I ain't trying to see your baby
daddy. Tell moms to mail him some sweet potato pie.
Oh, JJ, no.
He don't even get no sweet potato pie.
No. See, because once I'm your nigga, your mama is to cater to me. Yeah. Your mom should be catering to no other man but me.
You gotta forget Jamal. Jamal's dead.
Jamal's dead. One thing my coach used to say, my college coach used to tell us, when you get injured, either you injure or you hurt. Because if you injure, you're dead to the program.
Yeah.
He's dead to the program.
Right on.
He has nothing else to say to us.
That shouldn't be doing anything
Jamal,
else.
you should spit on him when you see him. Like, I'm your man. I'm the one you bringing that play to. You and your mama should be making me a play.
Right.
Not Jamal. No.
Right. Okay.
If your new girl is there, no exes. And it's the same for dude. Respect that. Yeah. JJ trying to get his girl. Hey, no, on God, bro. My sister ex, this nigga comes to everything. He come to shit that she not even in. And the crazy
thing, cool with the fans.
He's not. No, he's not though. He's not. He's really not though. He's really not. Like, really bro, you didn't even come around like this when y'all was together. Yeah, bro. We not even gonna start that. Bro, it's kind of trying to make his way back. To who? She's married already. Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, that's what it be. They want to lock in, so they don't need
no.
When y'all break up, they gonna get the news, manga. But Cheryl left that boy.
Hey, no, listen, I'm gonna tell you like this.
He's trying to keep tabs.
JJ, you see, this the problem. See, you gotta learn how to unfriend them, block them. Hey, block their social medias, block their number. See, that's one thing that I wasn't. Mama number. Man, listen. My family is not your family. Yeah. Okay. My new girlfriend, this is her family.
Right.
You need to move on.
Yeah.
We're not trying to be friends with you. I'm not trying to kick it with you. My new girl is their sister now. That's not your sis no more. Yeah. You're not. That's not your bro no more. Zed is not your bro. JJ is not your bro. Don't be popping up talking about what's up, bro. No. These are not your bros. You are op now.
She op. On God.
Op packs. Bruh.
Yeah, we putting X's in the. We wrapping X's
Come on,
up.
man. We're not doing that.
Up and putting
hey, 2023. Your ex now is your op now. You feel me? That's how we doing it. Hey, you agree with me, bro?
We going to war.
Let's go. Let's
ask my man.
Hey, come on, bro. Come on.
You got some input on this? What you think about exes showing up to holiday events?
Oh no, man, can't.
No,
it's not good.
It's drama, you know what I mean?
Come on. Oh, it's drama. Your new girl there, huh?
Your new girl gonna be.
Yeah, that's not good, bro. That's what we said, bro.
Tell her to keep that peach cobbler away from the family.
Keep all that shit, bro. She trying to be messy.
Keep all that sugar away. Keep all that high blood pressure and diabetes away from the family. We don't need it.
You know what I'm saying? Our Mexican saying goes, chancla que tiro no la vuelvo a levantar. So basically, like, if I throw an old shoe away, I don't pick up that old shoe anymore. You know?
I like that. Oh, God.
And once you give it to the homeless, it's theirs.
God.
Once you donate it to the Goodwill, it's theirs. It's for the streets now.
It's there, man.
Right. I like that.
You gotta throw it away. Wait, so is your ex cool with like your sisters and stuff like that?
That's man, I don't allow it, you know?
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Allow it.
So that's what I'm saying.
But I was like, nah, man.
Man, nah.
You gotta set the tone.
Nah, we smoking our op packs.
Yeah.
My ex-girlfriend come to the neighborhood, y'all just shoot her shit up. It is what it is. She ain't never been over here.
It is what it should be.
Yeah. It is what it should be.
All time.
Yeah. Your ex? Oh, God. But I really don't even got no ex. Like, my ex is from 13 years ago. Like, we don't do that. Yeah, her. Oh, been keeping it P. Yeah. Oh, I pray every day. Oh, not on camera. I just said I pray every day. That's it. Back to your regular program. Yeah, we not gonna.
We're not going down that road.
Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna mix. We're not gonna indict ourselves. Yeah. But for sure, y'all quit popping up, man, at your ex house, man, just because you know where his mama stays.
Handle that, please.
And when Christmas come, don't be trying to drop off a gift either. Like, we ain't doing that.
We don't want it. You feel me? We take your cash apps though, low key. On the slender, Apple Pays and cash apps. On the under.
Oh, you taking what?
On the under, we taking Apple Pays and cash apps. That's silent though.
I'm not turning down on money.
That's not physical. That's digital.
I'm not turning down on money.
Physical.
Oh wait, let me ask you this. So, if your girl receiving money from her ex, that's cool? Whoa, what?
It depends on what kind of situation y'all got going on. You feel me? If she open about it, like, oh, this trick ass nigga, he trying to send me some money. You feel me? If she transparent and y'all playing it how it's supposed to be played, it's good. But if she getting it and she ain't letting you know, she hiding. She hiding something. You feel me? She knows she doing wrong because she hiding. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, that money shit. No, we need Jamal to be dead. Yeah.
Wait. You saying your ex can receive money from her ex dude?
No, your current can receive money from your ex.
No, your current can receive money from her ex. Like if the dude want to give my girl some money?
Yeah. As long as you know about it, right? Y'all gotta be transparent.
I'm waiting to see what's over here because I'm about to say, Zono. Yeah. When it come to money, If one of my ex bitches want to send me some dough, no.
Nah,
your current girl right now is receiving money from her ex. Well, it's a different situation, so no, bitch. Yeah, bitch, you would get your ass beat. Can I say this one? You already did. We live.
You don't even trip.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Don't even sweat.
Yeah. We live. Yeah, you would get your ass.
Wait, what do you mean? Like pulling up with some groceries like Cuddy on Dead Presidents?
Oh no! Not with the lollipop. We're not doing that. You're liable to get your ass beat on that. That motherfucker said, "Here, take it."
That man was.
That was disrespectful, Sam.
That was really his daughter too. That's the cold thing about it, bro.
Huh?
That was really his daughter. Cuddy, remember he said he had a kid with his chick while he was in the war, bro. That was his baby, bro. That was Pippin' baby, man.
No. Hey JJ, you just dropped the mic on us 25 years later.
You know niggas couldn't add back in the day, so he couldn't put 9-10 months. All he was happy. Oh, you got a baby. It was something. It gave him at the time.
Nah, that was his baby. Nah, JJ, Cuddy ain't making kids at that age. Come on now, bro. No, dude's gotta have kids.
Too Short just had his first child.
Yeah. Dude's got. Look at your grandpa.
Yeah, man. It's brothers out here going strong at 60.
Yeah. On top.
For real.
And some of y'all know about it too. That's my friends.
His brothers out here going strong at 60.
Yeah, on God. Yeah, on God. Hey, so So Zoe, you said no, right?
No,
she can't get money from her ex.
My ex can't get
no.
from
your
her
current,
ex, right?
your current.
My current bitch can't get money from her ex nigga. Actually, she don't have an ex nigga. I'm her only nigga that she ever been with. So that no, she can't. All her exes is dead. With that nigga Uzi Vert, all her friends is dead. Yeah. We give a fuck. Oh, you can take it however you want to take it too.
Would you say you controlling in your relationship?
Yes, most definitely. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about clothes and all this type of thing. You're not gonna get me off topic today. We're here to talk about clothes.
Hey, come holler at the mic real quick.
Hey, can we get this on here? Come on, man. Can we get this on here? Let's get that on here.
Tell them who you are.
That's raw. Turn around, man.
Tell them who you are. Tell them your IG, man. A dozen raisins, man.
Dozen raisins. My name's Renee Diaz.
Yeah, we like that jacket, brother. For real.
Yeah, you clean, brother.
Feeling that, brother.
Me and my boy, we got a picture from like 13 years ago, man. He been in the game for a long time.
What?
He's
13 years ago?
13 years ago, man. You know what I mean? I'm probably giving him my
13
age.
years ago.
Probably giving him my age, bro. 13 years ago.
Taz will have a field day with that. You know that, right?
Yeah, it's all good, man.
Taz was 10, 15 years ago.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
But
That made me feel old, bro.
Yeah, man. This hen dog starting to make me feel, you know, I want to splurge a little bit. I want to shop.
It's doing the trick, you did?
It's doing the trick.
For sure.
Yeah, I just got done saying I don't.
Joan on right there. That's a classic
right
too,
now,
right there.
I just got done saying, oh, I don't drink Hennessy, and here we go.
Yeah, we was talking all that noise about the yak. But
Here it goes.
the yak is back. The yak is here, bro.
Hey, bro. Those dunks you got on. What's those dunks, man?
Oh, the strawberry cone.
That is raw.
Get those on cameras, though.
Yeah, man. I don't think.
I've seen them on the internet, but not live in person.
Okay, I see
That
you.
is a different flavor right there, brother.
Check the fit out, man. Fit check, man. Check it.
Hey, you know I'm a big Supreme.
Got the
fan,
Supreme
too.
hat. He got the LRG John.
Come on,
Okay, yeah, look at this man's though.
Come on,
Okay,
that's what I was talking about,
okay,
Come on, turn around so they can see the back of that.
okay. Okay, I see you.
They ain't playing around out here.
That boy said call me Ranch because I be dressing. Okay, I see you.
Yeah, we
I
ain't
see
playing no
you.
games out here.
Hey, cheers, bro. I like that.
Is that your son?
Yeah.
Pops is a beast himself.
I did all the Kanye shit with Sam.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, that's
Ryan
what's up.
Fleetwood, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a beast.
Powder.
Yeah, powder. Yeah. Off top. He's a beast himself, man.
Damn.
The apple don't fall far from the tree.
Okay, well,
You dig?
we got some interviews coming up in about the next 20 minutes, so y'all gonna make sure y'all sit down with us, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'd be dope, bro. Put father and son up there.
Oh yeah, that would be. Imagine when me and Baba get,
20 years from now, bro.
20 years?
Not even 20.
Give him 10.
10.
Give him
we
5.
might give him 7.
I don't know if Baba
Give him
gonna. I don't know if Baba gonna be able to sit down on a Friday night around this time with you though.
No, Baba, yeah, he gonna be
Bro,
like.
I tell you, him and Zier
Oh, I
scare
pray.
me, bro. Him and Chewy, bro. I swear, bro.
Yeah,
like,
I pray for that. I
like-
pray for those times.
Yeah, people that. Oh man, you and your brother. Bullshit. It's something coming behind us.
Yeah,
top,
the
boy.
storm is brewing.
Yeah, it's fucking storm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's getting crazy.
yeah. I'm telling you, bro.
Baba
Like,
tapped me to the side. He said, "Hey man, have a son." Oh no, man.
nah, seriously, bro. Like, Chewy, he got it at like 4 years ago. Like he understood it. Like he knew what was
I
up.
see him move the room.
Yeah, he understood. I was like, damn, bro. But Baba have it way before Chewy. Like yeah, look at my shoes. Look.
Yeah, he a little bit
Baba a
different.
beast, bro.
Yeah, bro.
He was like
in the back
Christmas
seat.
fake.
Yeah.
He at the table.
Tracy asked me, she was like, I think he said something about Christmas. And I was like, Christmas is fake.
Yeah,
I was like, oh shit. All right.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, one time Zoe was yelling, right? Baba, my dad got an attitude.
Yo, let's cut all of that out. But
We're trying to get some guests, man. We got some camera shy people out here, man.
Yeah.
well, they
What's
trying
that
to shop
over
in
there?
peace right now. You know,
What
that's
she tries.
Let us see how it look.
Can we see how it look?
Let's see how it look.
Come on now.
Come on, come and get on this interview.
Explain to us what
Explain us to the drip. What you got going on?
Tell us about that shirt. That's a classic shirt.
Come on over here so they can get you on camera.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's right there. Come on.
Shout out your IG.
Alright,
I
so
like this
my IG handle's Momnica Nicole, because I am a mom.
Okay, shout out,
But
mom.
my name's Monica, so.
Okay.
I like that.
T-shirt, FTK LRG.
Okay.
I think it was like a
Collab.
Halloween collab. So
Collab.
getting some head, obviously. I think actually their logos are like at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Real close, but like I'm a girl, so I gotta make it cute.
Yes, good.
Classic dunks.
I see that.
Cargos.
Yo.
Cuban chunks. How do you pronounce your brand's hat? Like
Halcyon.
Halcyon.
Yeah, it's my
Yeah.
cousin.
So is that
It's my
L?
cousin's brand.
Johnny Boy, right?
Yeah, John Boy. Yeah.
Well, John Boy, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys like Central Kids or?
No.
No.
I'm from Edison. I'm from the E. I'm from the West Side.
Okay, so do
He
you
from
know
the West
how to
Side
play?
too, but
He migrated
he migrated somewhere.
to greener pastures.
Somehow he ended up in the Central District. I don't know.
I originally
'Cause he
lived
lived- he
in Central
lived in
District, but I
Clovis.
went to Bullard, so I feel like
Nephew was really supposed to
you
go to
gotta
the West.
fit in and get in where you go.
Yeah.
It happens.
It worked out for him.
He was
Can
really
I see
supposed to.
your guys' fits? Like I read it.
Oh, I'm just
a regular.
Oh yeah, I'm just regular.
I got the-
just a
I got-
Nike fit.
I got two by
I
Kai
got
sweater
the
on.
Simple Supreme box tee.
You know.
I just came really regular today, y'all.
Black Air Force One activity.
But what's your hoodie?
This is a Cool by Kai hoodie, originals.
Local?
The
or-
original man.
I've never heard.
You never heard of Cool by Kai? You ever see those Air Force One silhouettes with the lightning bolt?
Okay, yeah.
That's Cool by Kai.
Fire.
But this is one of his sweaters.
Okay.
So you know, it got a bit of clout. You know, I'm not the most dressiest
Slight
guy.
flex.
Yeah,
I'm not the most
I'm not
dressiest
either.
guy. You feel me?
I'll
the
put on
winter
some
is
Supremes
like-
and go by my way.
I come from humble beginnings. I come from
I'm
humble
a big
beginnings.
fan of comfortable now.
I
Like,
am too. That's why
This
I
boy
feel
got on straight Supreme talking about I'm a big fan of comfortable.
it's comfortable. Just a little.
I love it.
It's a regular Supreme jacket.
I'm gonna get out of your guys' spot.
Have a good one, all right?
Appreciate you, thank you.
I was a regular Supreme shirt, shoes, and drawers.
Hey, Yummy J's, you want to come?
I wanted you to taste it. You want me to feed
That's
I
what they
can't.
always
No,
say.
I can't have it with alcohol.
She said she wants you to taste it.
Right.
It's the alcohol. It's the alcohol already, JJ.
No, I can't have it with the alcohol.
Oh, shit. All right. We're going to get off of that.
You want to try it?
No.
No, you guys have to try it.
No, but you got to get that alcohol. We got a little bit of alcohol in our system. Right now.
Anyways, you guys can eat it later. But I'm putting this on my story, so.
So the first thing I want to say is we ran out of cups, guys.
Any more liquor?
Well, the first round was on me.
Well, the second round will be on me.
Yeah, I got the next one.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, they ain't got no tequila over
What
there?
am I getting? I need more.
I'm about to say I threw out a 40.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, he did.
I'm still waiting on my change to come back.
You ain't getting no change back. That lady
We could have bought a bottle.
could have bought a bottle. That's how they usually do it.
That's how it just goes. That's $80 right there.
It's the convenience, you feel me? We support.
Yeah, we support.
At least with this drink, we putting money into the black hands.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See?
At
Yeah,
least
there you go. You
circulating,
got
right?
me.
We circulating.
You
right?
got me.
We spinning. It's the black dollar. You feel
Hey,
me?
shout, wait, whoa, I forgot that was on here.
You got some shout outs again?
No, I did, but I forgot I wasn't paying attention to him. You know how that be.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Here, let's drop the live. Let's drop the live.
Let me go on this.
Hey, you know what I mean? I wanna
Oh, hey,
follow Pyramid Prestige on IG. I meant to pin the tweet.
Oh yeah,
Not
can
the
I?
tweet, but the
Can
post.
We're gonna get James in before that.
Yeah, for sure. You know what I mean? We got time. We got time.
We got time today, JJ.
I'm really just getting my I'm getting in rhythm right now.
Oh, okay. What?
Tell him I'm ready.
We can talk about it now. But I don't know. At the same time, it's not a debate because
It's not a debate.
because I don't agree or disagree.
Yeah, because I feel like you probably.
I'm kind of like 1A, 1B.
Yeah.
It's 1A, 1B with me. It just depends on the day. Like Jay-Z, when I win, like when I like do some great shit, I put on Jay-Z and I really feel that shit. Nas is like, I can listen to Nas just anytime. I can listen to Jay-Z anytime too, but you know, after you like did something, you had a great ass day. Like you feel like you gotta win. I put that
Let me say
all
this.
I need from the blueprint.
Hey, what year was that, Zoe? When we was in the car, when we was in the truck with Bobby, and I think the crazy thing is, he did it when we was in New York.
And my interviews are hotter.
Sorry, hold on. Hold on, wait. Pause that. We'll get back to the West Coast. I'm gonna.
He did it.
And my interviews are hotter. I'm Walt Disney.
No, talk. Bruh, the first time we heard Ether was when we was in New York.
Here you go.
Yep.
I'm Walt Disney. I'm Little X. I'm Hype Williams.
Oh, when is
And my interviews are hotter.
Hey, put that in here.
No, it's fine.
Holla.
It's fine.
No, we got.
Hey, you was calling my crib and I ain't even give you my numbers.
Oh, that's what I said. But Ether,
That's weird when a nigga call you and you even give him your number. You like, hey,
bruh.
what is this?
Ether was cold though, bruh.
Yeah, it's good.
Like that shit was. That shit was.
And my interviews are hotter.
That shit was cold, bruh.
That changed. Right,
Best logo, most original. With my cousins and my interviews are hotter.
Hey.
Shout out Pyramid Prestige, the Go Farm. You did?
Yeah.
Shout out Starchild Archives, man. Come get some gear, man. Stop sleeping, man. Y'all boys is asleep. Y'all been asleep for too long. Y'all gotta wake up one day.
I think I woke up JJ.
Y'all need a new mattress at least.
JJ up for sure.
No, I'm chilling.
JJ up for sure.
I'm chilling.
Hey, this is JJ's environment right here. This is JJ's environment right now.
You think so?
No, for sure. This is JJ's environment.
Yeah, we chilling.
Got a good vibe.
Sister got the cool. Is them Doc Martens? She clean too. Okay, I see you.
Come put them on here, sister. Come promote yourself. You good?
We gonna put you on
What's your guys' favorite?
without your consent. No.